kids, let's learn shapes. Are you ready? Let's go!
Circle. This is a circle. Triangle. This is a triangle.
Star. This is a star. Heart. This is a heart.
Oval. This is an oval.
Pentagon. This is a pentagon.
Crescent. This is a crescent shape.
Diamond. This is a diamond shape. Parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. Semicircle. This is a semicircle. Hexagon. This is a hexagon. Square. This is a square. Ellipsoid. This is an ellipsoid. Prism. This is a prism. Hemisphere. This is a hemisphere. Pyramid. This is a pyramid.
Cone. This is a cone.
Cylinder. This is a cylinder. Sphere. This is a sphere. Cube. This is a cube. Cross. This is a cross shape. Arrow. This is an arrow.